नमस्कार दोस्तों।
तो हेलो दोस्तों।
Hey everyone.
Hi guys.
Namaste, everybody.
हाय वंडरफुल पीपल।
What's up?
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं वॉचमेट, लेकिन इस बार ट्रेंड सेट वार्डरोब के चैनल पे। सो फॉलोइंग टुडेस टॉपिक, इस साल का जो मेरा सबसे ज्यादा पहना हुआ घड़ी है, एक्चुअली एक नहीं दो, वो है ये इन्विक्टा प्रो डाइवर और G-Shock 5610। दिस 200 मीटर ऑटोमेटिक डाइवर हैज बीन द बेस्ट इन द गेम सिंस लास्ट ऑलमोस्ट 30 इयर्स। अगर आपके पास 10,000 रुपए है विद सम ऑफर्स ऑफ कोर्स, देन दिस इज द वन यू नीड। देन वी हैव G-Shock 5610। इट फॉलोज द सेम सिलुएट एज द आइकॉनिक G-Shock 5600 एंड आई वुड चूज दिस वॉच इफ देयर वाज अ ज़ॉम्बी एपोकैलिप्स। और यार जो मेरा लेटेस्ट परचेज है ना, वो इतना ज्यादा लेटेस्ट है कि वो अभी तक मेरे पास आया ही नहीं, ट्रांजिट में है। जो मेरा सेकंड लेटेस्ट परचेज है वो है ये कला वर्ली आर्ट एडिशन। द मोमेंट आई सॉ दिस वॉच आई न्यू आई नीड दिस। If you want a full review of this watch or want to know what my latest purchase is, then you will have to follow me on Watchmate.
तो हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, थैंक्स टू ट्रेंडसेट वार्डरोब फॉर स्टार्टिंग दिस इनिशिएटिव एंड हैविंग मी एज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस. So the watch that I have worn the most this year has to be two watches actually. The first one is the Casio Duro MDV106, which I have mostly used for casual events and hangouts. And for my all formal events and office meetings, I have mostly worn this Timex Q chronograph. And my most recent purchase is Casio CA53, which is also known as calculator watch. So yeah, that were my picks. Merry Christmas to all of you and a very happy new year.
Hey everyone, it's Aryan here from the Watchmonger channel. Thank you so much for having me. It's really nice being here. My most worn watch of 2025 after everything is said and done is still the Timex Q reissue with the Coke bezel. It's an all-time classic and it's really unbeatable as a daily wear. And as for my most recent purchase, it is the Casio MRW 200H. I am absolutely loving this piece and it has become my daily beater. Thank you everyone and I wish you guys a fantastic 2026.
Hi guys. This is Ritesh from Dials and Destiny. Firstly, thank you to Trendset Wardrobe for giving this opportunity to feature myself on your channel. And to answering the most worn watch of the year 2025, that has to be this vintage Titan multifunction for me. I wore this watch a lot. I got this year itself, but yeah, I tend to keep going back to this piece every other day. Also, to answer my most recent purchase, it has to be this, the HMT Rohini. I hunted for this one for a very long time, and yeah, I finally managed to get one. So yeah, thank you.
Namaste, everybody. I am Anirudh. I have an Instagram account called Vishtopati, but today I'm not here to promote about my channel. So we'll talk about the most worn watch of 2025. It's very difficult to choose one, but I have one watch which I have worn most of the time. So that is none other than the Casio A168. This is a daily beater. Beat anything, you can just wear it. It goes very well with any of the occasions. This is my most worn watch of the year. Yeah, and also my recent acquisition. Oh, अब बताओ इसको देख के. This is the Addis Dive AD2529 chronograph, which has a beautiful white and blue dial with the colored tachymeter markings. It's a beauty. Come on. Yeah, this is my most worn watch and the acquisition of this year. So I would like to thank our Trendset Wardrobe channel for giving this opportunity, and also he hasn't give it a follow. He does review great watches and he has an Instagram channel called Watch Lords. Please do join, and thank you everyone. I wish you a happy Christmas and a happy new year. Thank you guys.
Hi, wonderful people. This is Rajesh here from Wristwatch Diaries, and thanks Trendset Wardrobe for giving us an opportunity to connect with everyone via this collab. In this collab, the first question I have been asked is what has been my go-to watch for 2025, or the watch that I have worn maximum. And no guess is the hot favorite. It's a Casio Royale AE1200. What I have done is I have changed my strap. I have worn an olive green NATO strap and it looks very wonderful. The next question that I need to answer is what has been my recent purchase. And again, it's one of the hot favorite currently, which is an Seiko Alpinist. The beautiful green dial, the way it sits on my wrist, it is something that I've been wearing for last 3 days and it is not going off my wrist. With this, I like to thank everyone who has been watching this video, everyone who has been supporting our community, and wish you all a happy new year and in next 2026. Please keep buying watches and love your watches. Thanks guys.
क्या हाल है? साल का आखिरी वीडियो है तो इसको अच्छे से एंड करते हैं. खैर फिलहाल बात करते हैं हम लोग मोस्ट यूज्ड वॉच की. सो इट हैज टू बी द KCF 91W. या दिस वाज द वॉच व्हिच आई हैव यूज्ड द मोस्ट ड्यूरिंग दिस ईयर, क्योंकि इट्स वेरी सिंपल मैन, इट्स द बेस्ट वॉच इन द वर्ल्ड. इससे ज्यादा अच्छी घड़ी कोई भी नहीं हो सकती है. लाइट वेट है, रोबस्ट है, टाइम एकदम सही दिखाती है. एंड व्हाट एल्स डू यू वांट? एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माय लेटेस्ट परचेज, तो फाइनली जीवन की पहली सीको हमने खरीद ली है. या आई हैव परचेज्ड माय फर्स्ट सीको एंड इट इज नन अदर देन द SRP G29K1. सो इफ यू विल आस्क मी व्हाई आई वेंट फॉर द SRP G29K1, तो मैं वो बात इसके रिव्यू में करूंगा, अभी नहीं करूंगा. नेक्स्ट वीडियो बनाएंगे इसके ऊपर, आराम से बनाएंगे. साल का आखिरी वीडियो है ये, तो सपोर्ट करिएगा आप लोग मुझे भी और सारे लोगों को जो इस वीडियो में फीचर हुए हैं. और साल खत्म हो रहा है, सो अ फ्यू वर्ड्स फ्रॉम माय साइड. बी हैप्पी एंड डू एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग फॉर योर हैप्पीनेस, बिकॉज इन द एंड दैट इज द ओनली थिंग व्हिच मैटर्स द मोस्ट. जब आप लोग अकेले कमरे में बैठे होंगे तो एक खुशी की लहरी होगी जो आपको आगे रखने में, आगे बढ़ने में मदद करेगी. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ नेगेटिविटी अराउंड, देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ नेगेटिव थिंग्स हैपनिंग अराउंड, बट यू माय फ्रेंड must take care of yourself in order to take care of the society. And in the end, I would say that the watch community will stand tall and it will become a better place in 2026. See you around.